welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Bliss Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Enchilada Suizas. They are super easy to make, super delicious. So if you want to know how I make this delicious recipe, just stay with me and let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our ingredients. We're going to need 2 large chicken breasts, some corn tortillas, 4 tomatillos, 1 chile poblano, 7 serrano chiles, 1/2 of an onion, a handful of cilantro, 1/2 of a large zucchini, salt, pepper, and 1 8-ounce bottle of crema mexicana. If you don't have that, then you can just use sour cream. Okay, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 3 cloves of garlic. I have queso quesadilla, and I also have the Oaxaca cheese. If you don't have the Oaxaca or you don't have this one, you can use whatever melts really good is what you want, okay? Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you want to go ahead and add your zucchini into a pot of water, your chiles, your tomatillos. Make sure that everything has already been washed. With 1 garlic clove, you're going to boil 1 garlic clove. The other 2, you're going to keep it raw. Your onion and your poblano pepper, you can boil it or you can roast it. I'm gonna roast mine, okay? Just gives it a little charry flavor. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and roast this. We'll get there in just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want your tomatillos overcooking because they'll tend to give your sauce a bitter taste, okay? All right, see you back in a little bit. All right, and our chile here, we're just gonna be turning it this way, okay? And he's gonna get blistered all the way around. Also, we can, just put it on the fire, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. We'll check back in a little bit. I put my poblano pepper on this stove, the comal. So you can either roast it that way on a comal, or you can just put it over the fire. It's totally up to you. I'm just cutting this into big dices, cutting into big squares, just so they'll cook a little bit faster. You can cut off all the excess fat that was on there. Let me go ahead and clean up my station, wash my hands, and I'll meet you back here in just a little bit. All right, into this pot of water, I'm just adding our chicken, 1/4 of an onion, 2 bay leaves, and our chicken bouillon. All right, and I'm gonna set this on the stove. It's gonna cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll check back with you in just a little bit. All right, we have our chicken in here. We have the chiles in the back. We have our chile poblano right here, and it is cooking down itself. So after this is all said and done, we'll meet you back in just a few. All right, once your chiles are like this, then they're ready, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put him in a plastic bag, and then we're gonna allow him to sweat, okay? All right, we're gonna put him to the side, and then we'll be back in just a little bit. All right, with your chile, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna peel this off. Okay, you're just gonna get the skin, and it'll be easier for it to just peel off. It's kind of messy, so what you can do is just get the back of the knife and just get all that off. And just cut him. And then you're gonna take off all that seed, get from under it, okay? And just cut back here. Get all the seeds off. All right, what we're gonna go ahead and do is add our chiles, our tomato, our zucchini, our cilantro, and 2 fresh garlic cloves, the poblano peppers, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Some people don't do it all at one time. I do. And then I'm gonna add some cream cheese. I'm using 2 tablespoons. So you can use the kind that's whipped, or you can wait till your block of cream cheese comes to room temperature. And then on the side, I'm gonna go ahead and add the crema. All right, and we are going to blend until all is creamy, okay? All right, see you back in a bit. All right, just real quick, I add about 1/2 tablespoon of accent. Here we go. Alrighty, it smells delicious. So that's what you're looking for here, okay? Everything's blended. Taste it and see if you need anything else. That's delicious. If you need more salt, go ahead and put more salt in there. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, okay. In a big bowl, I went ahead and got all my chicken. I like to put it in a big bowl because it gives it a chance to cool down. The small bowls will keep the heat in. We're just gonna get this out. Oh, Ay, caliente. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a chance to cool down just a little bit and then we'll get to shredding, okay? All right. You can come with the fork and you can shred it this way or you can just do it with a knife. It's strictly up to you. There's no wrong or right way to do it. So just, no matter how you do it, it's okay because you want them to be very, very small. Alrighty, if you want to, you don't have to. I like to finely shred some onion with the grater. You don't want it to overpower, but you just want that little bit, okay? Okay, alright. In our bowl, let's put everything in, okay? Alright. For the tortillas, you can go ahead and fry them if you want to, or if not, you can just put the bunch that you're gonna use in the microwave for like 30 seconds, okay? Here we go. So you can put some salsita down on your baking dish. I just put parchment paper on the bottom, so you don't have that much of a mess to, you know, take care of. So get one of your tortillas, and these are warmed up. I like to mix the cheese and the chicken. Just grab some chicken, your sauce, and just roll them. Okay, and then after that, you're just gonna pour some sauce on top. Sauce. Fold them once, fold them again, and put them in. More sauce here. So if they touch, you're good. So after you make one, just put the sauce on it. It'll be sauce in between, if that made any sense. Made sense to me, that's what's scary. Alrighty, next, sauce. You're gonna put your cheese. You wanna get the salsa right on the side, so they won't get, you know, extra crispy just on the tip. We don't want it to burn. All right, into the oven it goes on 375 for 20 minutes, uncovered. So we'll see you back in just a few minutes. And there we have it, Enchilada Suizas. Go ahead and just cover it just like this, just on the top, 5 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. Right, and now for the best part. These are looking so good. Super delicious. I'm so excited for you to try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video in any way, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours. Jojo, are you ready? Get down, down. Are you ready? Sit. Thank you, Jesus, for our food. All right, partner. What do you think? Jojo, give me 5. Good boy. Jojo, sit. Give me 5. Good boy. Is it that good, Jojo? Is it good enough to spin? Spin, good boy. You outdid yourself. Give me 5. Good boy. Jojo, we did.
Y con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer.